Good night. Uh, 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 mm, 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 uh, that was a bad start. So, hello everyone, it's me, I'm back. Hello everyone, it's me, I'm back. It's me, Galaxy Kid. And today I'm gonna be showing you my new house. I mean, my new tree I made. But didn't I say house in tree? Tree house, yes. I built a tree house. It blends in with the environment really, really good. Actually, I feel like adding more vines to it. It's starting to loop down now, which is cool. It's supposed to be a jungle. Decorating it kinda. Okay, I think it's good. So, I built this. I built the tree myself. I didn't spawn it in. I built it myself. I hope you guys like it. Let me first find the, okay, there's the door. Okay. And welcome to my house. It's kind of tiny. The beds are embedded into the ground. Got some plants right here. I like how the vines are like looping down. They're like hanging. Because it makes it like look detailed and stuff. What I'm actually gonna do. Dang, I forgot something. Oh no, it's over there. I'm got plenty of these stairs over here too. Well, there we go. That's my tree house. Oh, I forgot to show you. I have a boat too. Right here I built. First I'm gonna go walk down these steps. Because I built these for walking. I felt happy. And this is when it's deep hat. Like, right? But when you like want to sail away, you just gotta detach that. It's been detached over here too. This is the storage area over here. I don't want to go down there yet. And when the boat's like in the ocean, you can also use these as like where you go fishing. There's like these things right here. You can just stand here and just go fishing and stuff. Actually, I want to get myself a fishing rod. Let's see what I can catch. I'm gonna fish over there. Wait for some fish. Yes, I got a regular fish. Look at that. Oh, that was cool. Then you can just get up here too and go fishing. I'm gonna fish the ground. There. There. Dun, 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 dun. Fish. And get. Okay, me. No. There you go. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, this is the whole boat itself. Time to go inside of here. That's where I sleep when I'm out in the ocean. And here, I'll go show you downstairs. It's just another storage room. See, and this is just like a little storage room. The whole entire boat's like a fishing boat. It's made to be for storage and fish. Well, I fish you. Get back here. Get back here. Escape. There's a moon. And I'm following. Wait, what happens if I place an anvil? It does nothing. It sucks. It really sucks. Okay. Let's see if I can escape. Just before my head goes on. There's no way that you're safe. But if you fall very... Okay, anyway, nothing changes. So those are the two new things I built. And I'm going to go very high in the sky. I'm going to jump on the bed. My gigantic bed. I'm going to see how high I go in the air. Okay, let's not miss it. The stupid tree. That tree messed everything up. Let's see, creeper by a tree. Next to the tree. Okay, this is good height. And boing. Not that high. But it's alright. We can go higher. And boing. Boing. Let's see if I can jump over the roof. Past. Great path. Not seeing anything anymore. Except for I can see the satellites still I built. So that's going to be fading away. And then I'm going to go down. Jump on the bed into my... That's big of a jump. But if I was in survival, that was it. That was it for my life. Minecraft. No coffee too, right there. Watch TV. It's just a man fighting air. It looks like aliens. Okay, we gotta sleep to die. Tomorrow, I'm gonna build buildings up. Not tomorrow. Just Minecraft tomorrow. Okay, let's go. Let's adventure and first fall into the lava and place an anvil down. Let's go to the nether actually. Go to the nether. Another port. Okay. First. I'm gonna have to get the materials. No. Obsidian. I'm gonna be needing a... Can't find it. Oh my god, it was right there the whole time. Okay, next. It's another brick. Those fences. Another brick fence. Okay. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Okay. I think I have to have that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does it work? Yes, it does. Wait, just to see. Doesn't work like this. Dang. It says die. Before in one update, when you could go into another, you could make any kind of portal. Well, I'm gonna go decorate. And then decorate another brick. Wow, this another brick looks nice actually. Go. And I'll put another brick around it too. There we go. Now, go in.